are also endangered, and they've had a hard time breeding. But now there is a possible breakthrough. Researchers say the key is socialization, and the bears are learning about it in a special school. Mark Litkey explains.
Meet China's most celebrated baby boomers. 16 panda cubs, 5 to 7 months old, the most ever born in captivity in 1 year. Now full-fledged kindergartners at the Wolong Panda Reserve, and like toddlers the world over, they're a handful. Adventurous, curious, feisty, stubborn. Just like raising children, she says. Only these kids get the ultimate kid glove treatment. Hands-on pampering 24 hours a day. Ah, this is the life.
There's no question these baby boomers are being spoiled rotten. It's not just because they're so adorable and playful. Hey, pay attention, this is really important. In fact, there is very serious science that's at work here.
For years, Chinese scientists believed pandas were solitary creatures with limited interests. In captivity, they were often kept apart. When brought together for mating, well, socially they were pretty clumsy. But the more scientists observed, the more they realized pandas enjoyed company and thrived on more variety, including a less boring diet. Along with the 50 pounds of bamboo they down each day, they now get apples and homemade cookies. It turns out they're a lot more like people than we thought, says the director of the Wolong Reserve. The more social interaction and variety they have as cubs, the healthier they are in their prime.
So pandas like to be touched.
That's right.
They like to be talked to.
That's right.
They like to be stroked.
Yeah.
And they like to play.
The hope is this generation will end up better in every respect. Stronger, more self-confident, and when the time comes, more skillful in perpetuating the species. Who knows? Like that other well-known boomer generation, they might even end up believing nobody does it better. Mark Litkey, ABC News, Wolong, China.